flames. Everything is gonna end up in knockout. Show no mercy. Hey! Knockout!
Ladies and gentlemen, also the 377s from Mechanical. Please give it up for your roast master this evening. The most protective, handsome, cute, humble, brothers-owned guy of KJSC, Akshay Bansal! Guys, thank you for such a warm welcome and such a great introduction. I mean, I would like to be brother's zone for the rest of my life. अगर ऐसी ही लड़कियां सोमया में आती रही तो I mean, seriously guys, you know, I pity this crowd. You guys pay such a lot of amount to call yourself PE, and what do you get in return? Yeah, that's exactly what you deserve. A 3.5 lakh package. I mean, seriously. उसमें भी सबको प्लेसमेंट नहीं मिल पाता, राइट मोइज? Where is Moiz? Hi, Moiz. Sorry, we are not going to talk about it today. So, coming to the event, the roast event, which you have been waiting since long. Okay, chill. For those who don't know what roast is about, it's going to get filled here. If anybody feels like he or she is going to get offended, the door is open. You can just leave. Okay? And it's going to get cheaper than Aditya Thakur's personality. No matter this guy is from EXGC. I mean, seriously, EXGC guys. No wonder, means your circuit's output don't come, right? But your other outputs come quite easily. Now, from the circuit, we have the embedded crowd over here, right, EDRX? Come on, EDRX. Make some noise, EDRX. The Adivasi crowd yelling, right? So, I feel. Chill guys, I feel this ETRX crowd was born on highway, right? Because that's where most of the accidents take place. No. We have the mechanical department in the house. But you know, it's really sad. You guys have a okay. We'll meet later on for that. You guys have a 0 girls count in your class. Is that true? No, I mean that's quite equivalent to ETRX crowd aiming for 10 pointers. Which is literally impossible in this Somaya college, right? No, coming to the comms department. Where's the comms department, please? Yeah, comms department. You guys are not wearing your IDs today. The comms department are so bloody obsessed with their IDs कि मुझे लगता है शादी के वक्त वो वरमाला exchange भी करेंगे. their only motto in life is IDs before BIDs. Now, switching from the most geek crowd of our college to the opposite crowd of our college, the IT department. IT department, yeah, IT department. Chill guys, the IT department. Now IT department must be thinking, this guy is going to say something. But seriously, I would have loved to insult you. I would have loved to insult you like others. But that's going to be beyond the level of your intelligence. So let's start. So before moving to the roasters, first let us call them up on the stage. Every roaster, please. Okay. So please welcome our first roaster of the day. His name has both shit and IT. And that's not just a coincidence. So bajao city for Nishit Shetty.
Thanks for making fun of me, man. Thanks of me and for the department. You're just gonna end up in an IT job anyway. IT guys, give me a cheer. IT guys! You guys are amazing, man. You guys are amazing. Tonight's gonna be filthy. Filthy reminds me of the electronics guys. Electronics guys, where are they? Congratulations, man. Congratulations of completing 4 years of your engineering. That's like 1 year of electronics. That's like 1 year of electronics and 3 years of getting over the fact that you didn't get into EXCC. And guys, I pity you. Even the days in Antarctica are hotter than the girls in your department. Comms guys. I genuinely feel that IT guys are better than you guys, man, seriously. Relatives come to your place, they're like, beta, कौन सी engineering कर रहे हो? And you're like, computer engineering. Beta, hardware कर रहे हो या software? That pricks, doesn't it? IT department guys. Meg guys, where are the Meg guys? Yeah, there they are. Shame on you guys, shame on you. Even an ugly guy like KRK. KRK could score a goal. Speaking of EXTC, where is Meet? Meet is so short that whenever it rains, he's the last one to know about it. I'm not saying that he's that short. He's so short that even his legs don't fit into his passport size photos. And that's all guys. Thanks for having me here. It was a great night. And घर जाके रोना मत, मम्मी को कुछ बताना मत, कुछ नहीं हुआ. Thank you.
Okay, that was quite a lame one. Thank you. Moving to our next roaster. Our next roaster is from ETRS department. Now, this guy needs an introduction, but doesn't deserve one. So, give it up for Noel Cardeio. How the hell do you pronounce your surname, man? Cardeio.
Okay. Firstly, it's Cordero. And the surname is quite original, alright? Not like EXTC, freaking pirated copy of ETRX. I mean, let's face it. EXTC, you don't know electronics. You don't know telecom. You're like Jon Snow, you know nothing. guys, you are so desperate. The only antenna you know about is always upright. Upright antennas remind me of the MEC department. Wait, one thing about the MEC department. The number of girls in the MEC department increased by twice. Increased by twice when the diploma students came in. I'm serious. I'm serious. There was one girl before. Now there are two. ETRX guys, apart from women. पता है तेरा सूट भी गंदा है. Point me. EXTC guys, apart from women, their only obsession is slope cricket. Slope cricket के अलावा कुछ नहीं सोचते इनको. जब भी जाते, ए बॉल देना. You know, being an engineer, the biggest thought in my mind is, how do I kill myself? I have a foolproof idea. No, I'm not coming to you. I've got a better idea. You can't kill like anyone. Point me. The best idea to kill yourself is go up to comms ka ego level and jump down to IT ka IQ level. Moving on to the one and only merge of the college, the Infra and Security Council. इनका नारा मैं बोलूंगा. Certi party S what? मिलता क्या है लेकिन चोको भाई. अरे काउंसिल वाले इतने तालियां मत बजाओ, तुम तो उतना भी नहीं देते. By God, now I'm going to talk about MEC guys. देखा नहीं जाता है मेरे को, बहुत अगली हो तुम लोग. I mean, if beauty is a drop of water, you are the freaking Sahara Desert, man. Freaking Sahara Desert. Thank you. Next चीज पे मतलब. Point being. अगर आपको बुरा लगा हो, तो please deal with those issues yourself. The shitty package that you have, you can't afford a therapist. Thank you.
So that was it from the fat fellow. Okay, the next roaster is from the EXTC department. Now. This guy has the most number of KTs you would imagine. Can you imagine? Any number? 17 KTs. This guy has 17 KTs. Seriously, I mean, if he gets any more KTs, I'll end up calling him Sagar Mehta. So give it up for Bharat Ahir. Hello, my name is Bharat Ahir. और मैं तुम लोग को इंसल्ट करने वाला हूँ थोड़ी देर के लिए, तो रोना मत. और जितनी भी लड़कियाँ यहाँ पे वो मुझे फ्रेंड रिक्वेस्ट भेज सकती है. तुमको मेरा नाम पता ही है. Shut up, you ugly peoples. ब्यूटीफुल लड़कियों से याद है कि बाहर हमने एम्बुलेंस खड़ा किया है. अगर कोई भी लड़का इतनी सारी लड़कियां देख के बेहोश हो रहा है तो बाहर जा सकता है. इतनी लड़कियां देखी नहीं होगी ना. और आज तुम लोग के हाथ दुखने वाले घर जाके. I mean, इतनी हरियाली तो नहीं देखी होगी कहीं. तुम लोग को पता है तुम्हारे लाइफ में सिर्फ एक ही क्रश है, कैंडी क्रश. Wait, there is one more. You know the difference between mechanical and bricks? Bricks get a chance to get laid. मैंने एक कहावत सुनी है कि I came, I saw, I conquered. But mechanical are like I saw, I came again, I came twice, but couldn't conquer. Where is the ETRX? Yeah. तुम लोग पहले से इतने गवार हो या आज कुछ स्पेशल एफर्ट्स लगा रहे हो? Hey ETRX. You know what? Stupidity is not a crime. That's why you free to go. IT, the brightest branch we have, right? IT, you know what? The light travel faster than sound. जब तक तुम बोलते नहीं हो इसलिए चमकते हो. मैं टेक्निकल जोक तुमको नहीं समझ में आएगा. IT people don't feel bad. A lot of people have no talent. IT की बात कर रहे हैं तो IT का सबसे बड़ा छावा है मयूर राठौड़. Where is he? Oh, Mayur Rathod, the only positive thing you have is your HIV status. मैंने सुना है कि तू बहुत अहमदाबाद जाते रहता है. अहमदाबाद जा रहा है. राठौड़ अहमदाबाद शिफ्ट हो गया क्या? कभी लेके जा यार. तो अभी मैं रुक रहा हूँ यहाँ पे. रोस्ट करने के लिए बहुत हो गया. अभी सिर्फ लास्ट है कि आप लोगों के लिए खाना अरेंज किया गया है इसके बाद, और मित कड़के के लिए पोलियो ड्रॉप्स भी है. ये पोलियो ड्रॉप्स. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर हैविंग मी हियर.
Okay, so our next roast show is from the comms department. Cute guy, you know, comms have cute guys, a lot of cute guys. So this is also a cute guy. Rahul Patel is his name. Now Rahul Patel is so Jew that he thinks that Mothia is just a delicacy. And give it up for Rahul Patel. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Are you having a good time? Last time I got such a wonderful applause. I was on stage and the IT department was holding on to its butt. Okay, moving on to the mechanical department. Mech guys, seriously, you are so desperate. Mechanical guys, you are so desperate. The last time I saw so much desperation was in terms of earning money, and that's how Snack Bar was opened. There's an old saying. You guys use your hands only for clapping, or is it some other purpose? There's an old saying which goes like this: Mech ka banda or Tronics ki bandi. So if at all there was a film made on Mech, guys, the banner would be posted outside the Tronics department saying, "Here we come." Darshak Mehta! Whoa! Darshak Mehta is so into a band that dude, I'll tell you one thing straight. That day is not far when you'll tie your split ends to a piece of timber and start playing guitar. You probably don't have brooms at your place. Moving on. Mech bande se Mech ki bandi pe Neha Daima. Seriously, you're the most beautiful girl I've ever seen in the entire hostel. So I'm not making this up. She's the most beautiful girl after Ritika, Komal, Varanya, and everybody else. Moving on, Madhur Gadia from the comms department. Madhur, you are from Aurangabad, and we also know that you are a part of the Students' Council. So how does it feel to migrate from the most corrupt city in Maharashtra to a similar student body? Home life? Kautuk Desai, another guy from council. I'll have Bansal for a demonstration. You know, this is the best guy I have ever known, Kautuk Desai. You should learn gender equality from this guy, because this guy, when he meets a guy, he'll be like, "Hey buddy, what's up?" And when he meets a girl, he's like, "Hey buddy, what's up?" Some technical council, IEEE Chief Sachidanand Deo. Yes, Sachidanand Deo. Your height is inversely proportional to your name. Moving on from a technical council to another technical joke. The other day I heard two HTC guys talking. One was like, "अरे वो बंदी का क्या हुआ?" The other one was like, "नहीं यार, mixed signals दे रही है." तो अब क्या करेगा?
अरे बस फूरियर ट्रांसफॉर्म यूज करें वो
IT, don't even try. You won't get the joke, please. It's match 3 out of your league. IT, you guys are so dumb that you think Garba is the annual cultural festival of Somaya College. And one thing about the IT people are there not because of their choice, but because they thought that IT is the closest thing to IIT. Thanks a lot guys for having me here. It was a great pleasure. Have a great future and I'll keep on entertaining you guys. Thanks a lot.
Oh, that's it. We have now the next department. That's the mechanical department. Now, so the mech is coming now. So, आगे की लड़कियां पीछे चली जाएं और पीछे की बाहर चली जाएं और लड़के छाता लेके बैठे, ठीक है? तो गौर फरमाइए अनिकेत गौर की बातों पर।
रोज वाली हो रही है क्या पकड़ा पीपल बहुत सुन लिया अपनी बारी आली I seriously don't know if I should thank council or bank council for this opportunity. First of all, let's bring up for ETRX man. ETRX, the only time you were serious while writing on a paper is while filling up your KT forms. EXTC guys are so useless यार। एक दिन मैं ऐसा कैरम में बैठा था, एक बी आके बोलता है उठ, बोला क्यों? बोलता अरे 15 दिन बाकी यार कॉलेज को, अरे 15 दिन कॉलेज को बाकी उसको कैरम खेलना है। लड़ी यूजलेस। अच्छा यूजलेस से याद आया, इंफ्रा वाले थोड़ा आवाज तो करो। तुम्हारे लिए दो लाइन लिखी है तुम्हारे लिए। Roses are red, the sky is blue. The roses are red, sky is blue. A nada of a pajama provides better security than you. Ouch! Ouch! Yash Joshi man, Yash Joshi yaar. I have a weight loss tip for you man. ध्यान से सुन। Turn your head to your left. Now turn your head to your right. Now repeat this exercise when someone offers you food. If I were to recollect 5 fattest people I ever came across, you would be 3 of them. Jali. Darshak Mehta, you are so into band that you do headbanging on Shirdi wale Sai Baba. Meet Kadakia. What's up, man? Meet was so short that you called Chota Bheem Bheem. Comms guys are so worried about you यार। जैसे शादी के बाद क्या होगा यार तुम्हारा? तुमसे तो पेनड्राइव भी 3 बार में घुसता है। Thank you guys and thank you. I would like to sign off by putting a fun fact. जैसे राजधानी के बाद गरीब रथ चालू किया, वैसे ही कॉम्स के बाद IT चालू किया है। Thanks a lot man. Thanks a lot. It's a pleasure. Thank you.
So here we come to the end of our roast. Thank you ugly crowd for being such a dumb audience and our panelists for their shitload of performances and obviously our faculty members for letting us do this. Mr. Azim Bannatwala, we have set up a benchmark for you. Hope the BE guys enjoyed. Thank you. Get lost and never come back to Somaya again. Thank you.